Guys, welcome to H-QTV YouTube channel. And if you are watching my video for the first time, I used to create a video about Web3, crypto, and how to education. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google AdSense account. So the first thing you need to know is that if you're a YouTuber like me, you need to have your Google AdSense to be able to receive your payments. Or if you own a blog, so guys, you are going to go to type on Google Chrome, Google AdSense. So once you type the Google AdSense, it's going to bring the first one, like maybe you want to create ad. So you are not going to go for that one. You are going for Google AdSense. Just scroll down a little bit. You are going to see Google AdSense, and can even bring it as the first page. So you are going to see this is the Google AdSense page. You are going to see create will help you earn. So just click on sign up. I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to pause this video to take me to my email. So I've signed up through one of my email. So though I have my own Google AdSense, but I'm just using this as a tutorial for you guys. And the name of my website, I don't have a website. I'm using it for my YouTube content. So I don't have a site here. Just click on it. So you are going to see get more of AdSense, and just click on your country. So make sure that you use your real country, so the country that you reside in. So Nigeria, I'm going to type Nigeria. So you can see your payment country, and scroll down, just click on I have read and accept the agreement. Click on that and tick on start using AdSense. So okay, I think okay, get more out of AdSense. Yes, send me no, I don't want that. So start using AdSense, just click on that. So it's going to take us to the next page. Oh, this is the page that we are talking about. So this is the page that if you own a blog, this is where the money is going to be dropping, like the money being sent from your blog. Or if you own a YouTube channel, so this is where YouTube is going to be sending the money directly. And you have a lot of things to set up on Google AdSense in this page. So you are going to see something like a lot of things here. This is the page. Just click on the menu by my left side. You are going to see a lot of things. You are going to see accounts, payments, ads, sites. So I think site is for people that owns a blog website, as you can see. So this is for blogging people. And then you can go to, so let me just zoom this page a little bit, and you can go to payments. So under payments, you are going to see payment info, verification share. So under payment info, a lot of videos are still coming about that. So you are going to see add payment accounts. So add payment account is that after maybe you have monetized your maybe blog, website, or YouTube channel, and where they are going to send the payments to. So you are going to have a account number that the money is going to be dropping into. So that is this way you are going to enter your account information. So let's go to verification check under payment. So this is it right here. So you are going to verify your identity using your ID card of your country. So let's go to account. I think under accounts you are going to have account settings. So under your account settings, you are going to have account information, personal settings. So let's first go to account information. So this account information, where you are going to see a lot of things, a lot of settings. So you are going to see publisher ID, customer ID, time zone, blah blah blah. Don't even have to. If you want to close your account, I think this is only meant for maybe you want to close your account, you can just close it like that. So let's go to personal account. I think personal account has to do with your date of birth, something like that, your name, as you can see. So you are going to see something like this. So something like this, personal accounts. So I think there's one where you are going to enter. Okay, let me just go through it. So this under ask. So I think there's one setting that is going to allow you to enter your name, all your this thing, maybe your address too. So we are still coming to that. That should be under settings. So this is mileage ad for your site. So access, and okay, we don't have to use user management. So let me go to user management. So this is it right here. I'm just showing you a lot of things that you need to know under Google AdSense that's going to help you to monetize your YouTube page or your blog for websites faster. So this is under user management. There's nothing here you can see. So just my email, and maybe if you want to add user to it. So guys, so this is the under payment info. As you can see, okay. So this is under payment info. Oh, so guys, so this is under payment info. So under Google AdSense, you are going to see payments, and other payments you are going to see payment info. So once you click on payment info and you click on mileage settings, so under mileage settings you are going to see maybe your name, your address. Okay, you are going to see something like this. So you are going to see that my address Ado-Ekiti, and the postal code, the states and the country, so that is Ekiti, Nigeria. Phone number, you can click on the pen button to edit it. Your United States tax, another, we are our next video may be on that from now. So you are going to see this is all what you need on payment info. So if I get back to, you are going to see your earnings. So paid monthly, if the total it has least $100, so your payout threshold, that means that you have to get to at least $100 before you can receive payment, like they are going to pay you on your AdSense. So this is how you are going to begin with your Google AdSense account. So guys, I'm so happy that you guessed me to the end of this video, and in the next video we are going to talk about, we are going to go deeply into Google AdSense and how you can set it up and receive your payment. So to the next video, thanks for watching my video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Samuel Wiyemi. So just kindly subscribe, like this video, and see you in the next video. Peace.